Hey guys, so today we are going to make a green grass dress which are going viral on the internet. So we're going to recreate it. So first we took this green fabric and this is the design pattern I drew. Then we have to cut it for the sleeves, like this is the main pattern, and for the neck side we are going to make this design and then I start stitching the fabric. This is how I stitched. I did a very slightly V shape which looks pretty cool. And this is for the sleeve pattern for making a fluffy balloon type sleeves. And then I start putting my needles on it so that I can cut it easily. And then cut it. Then start stitching my sleeve to the dress. So this is how it turns out. It turns out pretty cool. Then I sew this thin lace and start fitting it to the back of my dress like this. And then I also stitch extra fabric on the back so that my back skin doesn't show when I wear it. And then I start lacing it up like this. You have to do a crisscross technique all over the dress. This is the back of my dress. I stitched laces on the back because to fit on me perfectly. So this is the final look. Wait for the pictures to see how it looks on me, and I hope you like it all. So this is the final look. This is how it looks on me. If you like the video, then subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.